INTZ stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Intrusion had a bigger retracement, and it's not like I wasn't even expecting it, but I was so open to this buy. It's crazy. And I'm going to break down in a second what my exact approach is, because this is a pretty bullish range still. But I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. And just observing this, INTZ, I mean, this is the top. So that's that. That's still going to be the top. Here, I wanted to see a double break in order for me to buy. Never saw it, so I just kind of got demolished there. And because no trades got taken, like this is going to happen. My idea was wrong, but it was just an idea. That's why I love my strategy, because unless the rules were met, then I would just not move forward. And that's exactly what I did. I did not move forward. It's the same exact approach, but I would love a deeper retracement in order for me to just see that double break, and then I'll have the green light to move forward. So I'll definitely keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.